Hi guys, let's do this lip combo. The lip combo I'm wearing, let's do it. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we are going to do this lip combo together. What do you think about it? So guys, let's go on with this combo. I'm blending my lips with powder. So I started by lining my lips. I lined my lip with a black liner. So guys, I've decided to start doing voiceovers. Since I've been running from voiceovers, I don't like doing voiceovers, but I'm now getting a hang on it. So you guys will be hearing more of my voice from now. And you tell me what you think. If there are places you feel I should improve on, you tell me. So I'm lining my lips with brown liner. Sometimes I do overline my lips to give it that full look. If you want to make your lips appear big, you can just overline it. So I'm now applying the lipstick. This is a nude color, a pink nude color. That's what I used. It's from a palette. I've been using palettes. I do have normal lipstick, but I always feel the palette has more colors, and their colors are always nice. So it's the palette that I've been using. So I'm now blending it in and applying more. You can check out other videos in my channels and tell me what you think. So guys, this is the lip combo matte. I don't know, but I'm loving this lip combo. It looks so good. Immediately I applied the lipstick, it's blended in. I love it. What do you think about it? I'm going to apply gloss and see how it looks. What do you think, guys? Is it with gloss or without gloss? Tell me what you think in the comment section. What do you think about it?